Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up email forwarding and routing in Gmail in Google Workspace. First, log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Workspace, click the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you're logged in, setting up email forwarding in the admin console is straightforward. Hover over to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the Apps section. From there, click on Google Workspace and then select Gmail. Next, click on Default Routing, where you can create domain-wide routing rules. If you already have a rule, you can add a new one. Click on Configure. Please note that most changes take a few minutes to take effect, depending on web traffic. For the recipients, you can choose a single recipient, pattern match, group membership, or all recipients. If you want a single recipient, enter their email address in the provided field. Then scroll down to the Modify Message section and click Add More Recipients. This is where you enter the forwarding email address, such as dlab6@gmail.com. Click Save and then confirm by clicking Save again once it loads. To test the rule, open Gmail by clicking on the Google Apps menu and selecting Gmail. Compose a new email and send it to the account you've set for forwarding. If everything is set up correctly, the message will be forwarded automatically to your designated email address. And that's it. You've successfully set up email forwarding in Google Workspace. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.